Alright YouTube, so today we're going to be learning how to fix cracks in trailers. I made this trailer and I messed up on one of the welds, so I got to grind it out and re-weld it. So if you come up here, you'll be able to see right in there, there's a little bit of a crack in the metal. That's because I didn't weld all the way to the end, and this is a high stress area anyway. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be grinding it out with this this grinder. You got your cutting disc on it. You're going to stuff it down in there, right in the center. Get deep down in there. Make sure you grind out that base metal a little bit, and then we're going to get our bigger wheel on here, and we're going to grind out that weld and re-weld it. So we're going to get the generator going and get to it. Alright, so you guys saw that? We ground out the weld. So if you want to come in here, you can see what that looks like. Pretty much like the whole weld. You just grind it out until there's no more metal in here. Sometimes you think you're close. Just keep looking and like keep grinding until you know you're absolutely through everything and that crack is completely out of there. Once you get all the bad metal out, then you can go ahead and re-weld it. When I did this weld, we did when I did this weld, we did it with the flux core machine. I'm not that great at it and I couldn't see, and that's why I didn't make it to the end. Mistakes happen, you know. So we're gonna fix it, and we got our backup stick welder here since the big one on this trailer is still down, and we're gonna put some 7018 in there. Since it's a high stress area, some people actually say not to weld these, but all the big manufacturers weld right here, so I figured I would. So we're gonna do it with the 7018 and not the flux core. So yeah, we're gonna fire up the generator again, and we're gonna weld it out here real quick. All right, YouTube. So see also what we did there? That's a completed weld right there. I tried to weld down there a little bit, but I kind of messed that up a little bit. But it should be okay because it's a 7018. 7018 doesn't crack really all that much. So I've also seen a lot worse welds on some other trailers, and I don't know. Hopefully it'll turn out okay. Got a little bit undercut up there, but I don't know. Hopefully it'll work out. So that's how you fix a cracked weld. If it cracks again, you know, you just do the same thing. Do the same thing over again. and it should be okay. So, yeah, if that helped you, just hit the like button, subscribe, whatever, you know. I don't care. But, alright, see ya.